Hey Hyman, I just wanted to say that the hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is literally worth every penny that I paid for. You have defied all expectations that I have ever had. You have reinstored faith in me in the faith business. I mean, of hair, because I just lost faith. I thought I'm probably going to just keep getting cheap synthetic blends that are passed off as human and not legit. Literally, when I tell you it flows off my head, I haven't gone to sleep with it untied because I'm just too afraid. I don't want to abuse it, but I mean, just wearing it all day, like minimal tangling. I wouldn't even call what happens to the hair even tangling. I would call it like forming, because if you shake it, it shakes loose. Just everything is just beautiful about it. Texture, quality, it straightens well. Like everything about this hair is just ridiculously beautiful. I am so sorry to hear about that scammer though, because I just got a YouTube update and it said that there's this lady going around trying to act like you and tell people not to buy from you and all this other type of weird jazz. And she kind of gave herself away when she tried to email you to like try to hit you up for prices. How you gonna price check him but then tell all his people I bought from him, don't buy from him? Like you're a straight up lie. Like you should buy some hair from him because he's awesome. I mean, if you're gonna lie about it, you better take the lie with the shame and like be able to say that, hey, I bought hair from him and it was legit, and then lie about it. But like you can't lie about his hair because his hair is legitimate. I just bought it. I live with it. Like, it's amazing. And you clearly don't know about it because you're up here telling me it's crap. Like, you don't know nothing about Hyman's hair. But your hair is so beautiful. And if she's interested, she needs to stop making all these scammy profiles and just, like, buy some hair from you. Okay? And then she can stop dreaming about it and starting crap. Like, just buy his hair. Like, you don't even gotta do all this crazy crap. Just buy his hair if it's all that. But, like, she needs to cut that out. Like, it's not even funny. She looks stupid. But it doesn't matter anyway, Hyman. I was just, coming to tell you, like, don't even get, like, stressed out about it because your business is already built. It's been 7 years in the running. You have, loyal clientele. You have people that can refute any nonsense that people try to come for you. Plus, it's been a long time, and, haters come out of the woodworks after so long, and all we got to do is deflect them. We're your loyal subjects. We will defend you, and I just want to call and give you some words of encouragement. But also, I will be making a video in about a week on the hair, so just keep looking out for that. All right? You have a great day. Thank you.